Hey, I'm Kyle, and I'm going to talk a little bit today about what you might want to wear to either a cuddleist session with myself, or if you're attending a cuddle party workshop, platonic cuddle party workshop about consent and communication skills and optional platonic touch and cuddling with myself in the Philadelphia area, or anywhere else I'm doing them, or if Edie Weinstein, another facilitator, does them in the Philly area. So yeah, just wear something that feels comfortable for you. Even if you're going to a cuddle party workshop, I like the saying like think more comfortable than trying to look super attractive or stuff. Because yeah, it's a really relaxed atmosphere. And for cuddleist, my cuddleist sessions, the minimum is like mid-thigh shorts and a tank top. Long pants or long sleeves are of course also great, and you can bring both and can always change here. Whether you're attending a workshop or a session with me, you're welcome to change. Uh, yeah, so you can keep that in mind. Some people really enjoy the skin-on-skin touch and contact, so that's something to think about. You could enjoy more of that if you wear shorts or like a short sleeve or sleeveless T-shirt. And in my cuddleist room, I can make it as warm as you'd like, even in the winter. So if you want it to be 84 degrees, so you can have shorts and a tank top in the middle of winter. That's wonderful. I suggest you wear something that doesn't have a belt, because especially like a belt buckle or stuff can just not be the most comfortable when cuddling. And yeah, I think that's about it. And let me know if I left anything out. If you have any more questions about what you might want to wear to cuddle a session or cuddle party workshop. And if you want to see more videos, you can subscribe or send me an email um, if you're interested in either of those things. Um, and you can also check me more out at cuddlist.com/Kyle or the links below for my cuddle party workshops as well. Thank you.